Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will tell you how to use prompt variants with a .prompt file in Genkit, Nodejs and Gemini. So let's get started. So here you can see I've created a simple folder named first. You can name it whatever you feel like. I'll clear everything out, sorry about this. So next we just need to create a package.json file, right? So I can just do npm init-y and it will create the package.json file for me, as you can see over here. Next we need to install few dependencies, so I'll just go to this particular directory, to this particular URL, sorry, and I will just paste this command. So I'll just install Genkit, Google AI as well as Genkit. Okay, then we need to create an API key, so you can just click on this button, it will open this particular thing, and here you just need to click on this create API key button, and here I'll just use this Gemini API, create API key in existing project, so it will create the API key for me. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy this code, okay, but I will be removing a lot of it because I just wanted the setup. So I'll just create a TypeScript file called index.ts. I'll paste it over here, and then I'll just remove this particular part, okay, then I'll just remove this as well, okay, and I'll just do command S. Then here we need to pass our API key, something like this, and here now I'll just copy paste our API key and paste it over here, command S to save. Now here you can see I've defined the model. Typically you should not define it over here. We'll see how to remove this as well. So let's come over here. So to define a prompt variant, so typically whenever you define a prompt, right, you just write my prompt.prompt. Now also one more thing before I show you the previous thing, you need to follow this particular structure. So whenever you define a prompt, you should define it inside this prompts folder. You can write it some other folder name as well, then you will have to change the path, which I don't want to go into. I have made a separate video about that as well. So I'll just scroll down again, and here you can do something like this. Typically you pass my prompt.prompt, which is the baseline prompt, but I want to use a prompt variant, right? So for different AI models I want to create different prompts, something like that, just to check like iterate over it quickly. So I can do something like this. Okay, now here I can't use this Gemini 225 Pro because if you see my prompt name is Gemini 2.5 Flash. Now it's not necessary that given that I have written Gemini 25 Pro I will be using the exact model. Behind the scenes it can be using Gemini 2.5 Flash, but it's good practice to name this appropriately, otherwise users or your developers will get confused. So I can just name it like this, Gemini 25 Flash, and given that I'm on the free tier, that's why I'm using Gemini 25 Flash, but you feel free to use whatever you feel like. And here you can see this is the actual variant where we are passing, right? So this is the the variant name which you have defined it inside the file. Okay, so here this is how you will define it. So I'll just copy this, okay, and here you can see I'll just paste it over here. Sorry, I think this is this is for separate thing, sorry about this. So I can just use it like this, okay, I'll just paste it like this. So here you can see the file name was my_prompt, that's what I'm passing over here, and this is the variant Gemini 25. So it should be Gemini 25 Flash, right, in my case. So I'll just write Gemini 25 Flash, command S to save. Now there should be some prompt written over here as well. So for that what I'll do is I'll just scroll up at the top, I'll just copy some simple prompt. So something simple, I don't want too much confusing. So here you can see this is how. So here we have to specify the actual prompt. So here it is not Vertex AI, we are not using Vertex AI as the prompt. So I think I can just copy it from over here. So I'm using the 2.5 Flash, right? So this is the actual thing will actually tell Genkit to use to like which prompt to use. Okay, so here I'm just telling greet the user and offer your assistance, so keeping it pretty simple. So this is how we are referring it. Okay, then here we can just do I think something like this, const text equal to await my prompt dot run something. No, okay, I think I forgot. I have a project with me, hello prompt. Okay, I think we don't need to do something like this, we can just do something like this. Okay, and here we can just pass our text, console.log text. Now just to if you have any inputs which are been taken inside the prompt file, you can pass the inputs over here, but I'm not using any inputs, so which is fine for me. So now I can just run npx tsx index.ts, and hopefully it should greet me. So here you can see I'm here to help you, yeah, all that stuff. So hopefully you got the point. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.